The Internet has modified, on a planetary level, the habituality, interaction, and presence of people in this world. The effects observed are the alteration of human presence, the re-signification of space-time, and the force of habituality exerted. The structure of this presentation is a methodology, the theoretical sustenance, the results obtained, and the conclusion center on habituality. Henri Lefebvre proposed his social theory of space consisting of physical space, lived space, and conceived space. In addition to Lefebvre's unitary theory, here is proposed that the domestication of the Internet has introduced a new layer to social space. This new layer of the social space allows interaction within the digital space and overlaps with the previously consolidated use of space and time. Although this research explains domestic spatiality from three of its interrelated phenomena, the carrying out of this work focuses on habituality, a force that determines and conditions the process of domestication of the new communication system through new habits and routines of daily life in isolation. The process of domestication of the Internet was observed through habits, forms of communication, connection time, as well as through changes in the meaning given to places and the new activities incorporated into the home. Three factors allowed the emergence and superposition of a digital space: the appearance of Wi-Fi, the restructuration of the Internet, and 3G technology and smartphones. The most important changes in the home are: people's domestic lives provide an account of the events that modify it through three of its basic factors: impact, speed, and repetition. Results: the physical space is changing its value in terms of its dimensioning and meaning. Domestic spatiality is characterized by the permanent disposition under which the digital activities carried out by young people do not disappear from them when they disconnect. Periods of concentration to perform tasks in the physical space tend to be less frequent due to the degree of immersion in the digital space and the type of activities that are performed simultaneously. In both cases, a direct relationship was identified between space-time disorientation and the permanent availability of young people to interact at any time and from anywhere at home with others through the Internet. Three variables hold back the self-regulated use of the Internet: the readiness to receive and send messages at any time, the degree of dependence, and the level of immersion in the digital space. Domestic spatiality in the information era overlaps with the digital space because it is another social space. It is the sum of the use of space-time of people in different layers of social space simultaneously without the need for corporal contiguity. The home is losing its existential centrality as a physical space. The superposition of the digital space has integrated new certainties, such as that interaction through the Internet is like being present with others.